Welcome to this week's Swarf and Chip. Today we're at Engineering Data in France to look at the innovative solutions for automation, zero point and work holding. And I'm joined by Matt Jeunesse.
Yeah, I'm really excited. So come on, let's go. Let's go and see it. Come on, Chris.
So Matt, why are we here today at Engineering Data in France?
Well, I'm here to show you and the UK viewers about Engineering Data's amazing automative products. Over here, we've got this amazing 6-axis robot cell called the EasyProd LX88. It can run CNC lathes, it can run CNC mills. You can have up to 6 machines on it. It's amazing.
Well, I can see the palletisation at the back there. I think the camera can just get in and start looking at that. So is this feeding milling machines and lathes? And tell me about the palletisation side of this and how it would change from grippers, Matt, to like load billets and to palletise.
Well, as you can see on the far, you've got the shelves with all the different pallets. So, and that over there is replicating a CNC machining centre, a milling machine. So these pallets will load onto that machining centre, and then over here you've got all the parts in this box here, and these parts will be loaded with the grippers onto the CNC lathe chuck, which you can see here.
So this is
a complete cell.
This is representing different machine tools. So the chuck is representing a
that's
lathe.
Your lathe, yeah.
The 0 point station is representing
right, yeah.
a milling machine.
That's right, and then you've just got your loading station over here, and then you've got your amazing intuitive, which will be in English obviously, for the customer. This can be learnt in a day. It's brilliant. It will talk to any machine tool in the market.
So Matt, 6-axis robot
Yep.
that can feed lathes, it can be palletised, it can feed milling machines, but
That's
the
right.
programming is very simple, you say?
It's very simple. They say you can learn it within a day. It's
Within
that
a day.
simple, yeah.
So this is
That
just
simple.
one of many solutions that they offer at Engineering Data.
Yep.
There's another solution now, Matt, that we're going
Well, if
to
we
look
go
at,
over,
which
yeah.
is the Easy Box.
The Easy Box, and that works on a 3-axis robot. We can start over here with the first incarnation of the Easy Box. We've got 100 kg pallets here. Again, 3-axis robot running large CNC machines and so on.
And the Easy-Prod is an evolution of this.
That's right, yeah. The Easy-Prod is the 6-axis robot. This is the 3-axis robot. You can see what I believe will be the future, or to begin with, is you've got the Easy Box T30 over here.
So
This
tell
is
me
a
about
great
this.
design because it can work on any existing 3-axis CNC machine or any new 5-axis CNC machine. The T30 stands for 30 kilogram payload, and you've got 42 pallets, and using their own 0-point system, it's very quick to change over your pallets to keep your existing machine running unmanned overnight. It's brilliant.
Well, what really stands out to me for this particular solution is the small footprint, Matt, and this won an innovation award.
That's right, it won an innovation award purely down to the fact that it's only 2 meters square. So you can get 42 pallets in 2 meters square, which is incredible.
Tell me about the interfacing with different machine tools. You mentioned it can be used for legacy machines as well as new machines, but tell me about the interface and also the software again.
So the software was designed by Engineering Data themselves, so it's their own software. They're not paying any duties or fares to anyone else. They designed the software to work with, it'll work with Mazatrol, it'll work with Fanuc, with Heidenhain, with Haas, it'll work with they can make it work with any machine tool company.
So very simple to interface with a machine tool.
That's right.
Never mind what type. This is a 5-axis machine, but also can be incorporated onto a 3-axis.
That's right, you can work on any 3-axis, a 20-year-old 3-axis machine up to the state-of-the-art single pallet 5-axis
Very
machine.
impressive, Matt. Let's move on.
Come on, Chris, come on.
Now, they've got many solutions. Now, we're going to look at another solution here, which is part of the Easy Prod range.
This is talk
us through this, Matt.
So the Easy Prod range is designed for CNC lathes. As you can see here, we've got a 6-axis robot. You can load your billets into like a pallet system, and the robot will pick and place your parts.
And this pick and place option here, Matt, is this
Yep.
all, does this work all in conjunction with the 0 point?
That's right, yeah, that's right. It will pick your parts and place it into the chuck. The chuck will grip it, away you go.
And I believe on this particular application, they're practicing what they're preaching.
Yeah.
They're actually making parts for their 0 point fixtures.
That's right, they're making the easy plugs here.
And this really leads us nicely to our final destination,
Yep.
which is the work holding and the 0 point. So
That's
let's
right.
go and find out more. On our left here, Matt, we looked at this earlier. They're also manufacturing and supplying bespoke engineered solutions.
That's right, these are a massive 0 point solutions. You can see the actual 0 point plates being made over here.
Yes, I mean, very impressive, Matt.
You can see, very impressive.
And you can actually move on to this next one here, Chris, where you can actually see where the 0 point parts are being
They're
incorporated
actually
into
being
this plate.
fitted into the base plate, as you see.
So this is a bespoke solution, Matt, but
Yep.
let's have a look at some of the standard solutions that are also available. There's so much to look at. It doesn't feel like we've
I know,
actually
it's
got
crazy.
enough time, so
I mean, you
think
can
we
see all the
definitely need to
tombstones
return.
along here, all the vice bodies along here, all the different vices that they do, all the different tombstones that they later incorporate into the 0 point systems, which you can see here. So we can do any sorts of cubes, tombstones, triangles, you name it, we can do it.
So perfect for horizontal machining.
Yep.
It will also incorporate the vices that they offer, which we can see further down the line here. But before we get to the vices, we can look at some of the gripper options that are available.
Yeah, so you've got some of the gripper options here. You can
And this is
see
an
these.
interesting gripper option. This is for the 0 point
That's right,
gripper
yeah,
option
yeah.
to load the pallets.
To load the pallets. This is what you see on all the Easy Box solutions. They use this to actually grip the pallets, to pick them up and move them.
Now the centric grippers.
Now these are a new design actually. This is pneumatic vices, you can see. And again, this works well with all robotic solutions.
Will you still be selling Microloc in the UK? Does this kind of interfere with your current business?
No, I don't believe it does, because obviously Microloc is more for 3-axis machines and horizontal machines. On 5-axis, ultimately you need self-centering vices to work around the centre of the 5-axis spindle. So I see a massive market for these. They're really incredible. The price is good, and I see a big market for them.
So it really complements your range.
It complements Microloc, yes.
And we've got another selection of centric grippers here, but we're also now moving into the 0 point solutions too, that really lends itself really to palletisation and automation. What kind of growth for automation do you see in the UK market, and how excited are you really to be working alongside Engineering Data and representing their product portfolio in the UK?
Well, I'm really excited because Engineering Data, as you can see, are a very forward-thinking company. Their products are innovative, and I see a massive growth potential in the UK market for these products. You've got these the 0 point systems here, but these can be put together onto a really big machine table, and by having these intersections here, that's how you can actually program which ones you want to open and shut. You've got the big vices, pneumatic vices on top. Incredible products.
They've thought of everything, Matt. It's
They
very
have.
versatile, it's very flexible, it's very innovative, and I think it's going to have a big impact in the UK market. So watch this space. This will certainly keep the spindles turning
It will,
in the
definitely.
UK, as we always mention on Swarf and Chips. Matt, it's been an absolute pleasure.
Thanks for
your
coming.
time.
Thanks, Joe. Thanks, Chris.